Well, it's Saturday and I'm about to start another project. It's really the project that I think most people will want to do because they can immediately see that the Sutesloly Floral Project, which is which uses some of the stitches that taught in the pink project, makes a pretty picture, and people want to make a pretty picture. I think for whatever reason, we could turn that into a little bag. We could turn it into we could make a pillowcase. We could make an apron. Who wears an apron now? I don't. But we could also make a copy of this, or even take the patch itself and apply it to some blue jeans. I got into this because the people in my church and I are going to have a little hippies party, and I said, well, let's learn how to sew on our blue jeans, and this is a great design to copy and put on blue jeans, or else I can show you how to cut. It's printed on a piece of cotton, fabulous fabric, and then we have this little sheet that tells us which colors to use which and how many strands. This particular, let me see if I can find something. This particular color right here, this main stem right here, is sewn with thread number 04 and 2 strands of it. And they call this the outline stitch now, which I've always called it the outline stitch. But in the pink project, they call the same stitch the stem stitch. And truthfully, this stem, which we're going to do, is called both names. So what we're going to do today, we're going to start with the stem stitch, or what's called the outline stitch, and we're going to have to divide the strand of 04. This project comes with its own little set of threads, and these are ideal threads. I believe that they're probably DMC threads, but it doesn't really say that. But so many of these kits come with threads that, at the best you could tie up an ornament on a Christmas tree, but they're not good for sewing. And but this thread is good thread. So what we do is we go to the thread kit, the pouch or the card of threads for the floral pack project, and we pull out we undo the loop and separate. This is called a skein of floss. Every skein of floss has 6 threads in it, and we're going to have to separate 2 strands of thread out of that. And I have a video already on that tells you how to separate the strands of floss. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate the thread, and then I'm going to begin showing you how to do this project, beginning with one of these pieces of stems. Usually I'll do the stem first, because the stem, if it were a painting, the stem would be behind the flowers in most cases, or behind the leaves. And when you're making a picture of any kind, it's best to work from the back forward and to hide the initial strokes or the initial stitches behind what's in front of it. Okay, so this is the beginning of a new day, a new horizon, sewing the floral kit of this Sutesloly set of kits.